When homeowners in Ferndale look for simple yet powerful ways to increase their property's value, one upgrade often stands out: entry door replacement. Your front door is more than just an entrance, it's the first impression visitors and potential buyers get of your home. By investing in a high-quality, stylish, and energy-efficient entry door, you can enhance curb appeal, improve functionality, and raise the resale value of your property. First impressions matter. Curb appeal in Ferndale's neighborhoods are known for their charming character and unique homes. Whether your property is a classic bungalow or a modern build, the entryway plays a vital role in its appearance. A worn-out or outdated front door can make the whole house feel less inviting. Replacing it with a new, attractive door instantly transforms the exterior and sets the tone for the rest of the home. Real estate professionals often highlight curb appeal as a top factor for home value. Buyers tend to form opinions within the first few seconds of seeing a property, and a sleek, durable front door makes a lasting impact. From bold colors to elegant wood grain finishes, the right door can align perfectly with your home's style while adding that wow factor. Energy efficiency and cost savings. Ferndale experiences all four seasons, which means your entry door plays a critical role in insulation and energy performance. Older doors often allow drafts, increasing heating and cooling costs. Modern entry doors are built with advanced materials, tight seals, and insulated cores that help maintain indoor comfort year-round. Not only do these upgrades reduce monthly utility bills, but they also appeal to eco-conscious buyers who want sustainable features in their next home. Energy-efficient doors often come with Energy Star ratings, making them a smart investment that benefits both current living conditions and long-term property value. Security and peace of mind. A strong entry door isn't just about looks, it's also about protection. Safety is a top priority for Ferndale homeowners, and a replacement door can provide advanced security features. Reinforced steel, multi-point locking systems, and shatter-resistant glass options add layers of defense against potential intruders. Buyers are increasingly drawn to homes that offer reliable security without compromising on style. By replacing your door, you're not only boosting home value but also enhancing peace of mind for future occupants. Wide range of styles and materials. One of the most appealing aspects of an entry door replacement is the range of customization options available. Homeowners in Ferndale can choose from materials such as fiberglass doors, durable, low maintenance, and available in wood-like finishes. Steel doors, excellent for security and energy efficiency. Wood doors, classic, timeless appeal with rich character. With so many designs, colors, and glass panel choices, you can tailor the door to reflect your personality and complement the overall architecture of your home. Return on investment. Entry door replacement consistently ranks among the top home improvement projects for return on investment, ROI. According to national remodeling studies, homeowners can often recoup a large percentage of the project's cost at resale. In a competitive market like Ferndale, this type of upgrade helps your home stand out and attract higher offers. Unlike large-scale renovations, replacing a door is relatively quick, cost-effective, and delivers both functional and aesthetic benefits immediately. Partnering with local experts. For Ferndale homeowners, choosing a trusted local contractor ensures that the job is done professionally and with the highest quality materials. Local experts understand the climate challenges and design trends specific to the area, making them the best partners for maximizing your home's value through entry door replacement. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a home improvement project that enhances beauty, efficiency, security, and value, replacing your entry door is one of the smartest choices you can make. For Ferndale residents, it's an investment that pays off immediately in curb appeal and long-term in property value. Whether you're planning to sell in the near future or simply want to enjoy a more stylish and secure home, a new entry door is a clear step toward boosting your home's worth.